Moi kaikille. Today we are going to learn Viikon Päivät, days of the week in Finnish. Let's get started. In Finnish, the week has 7 days just like in English. Let's learn them one by one with pronunciations and fun examples. Maanantai means Monday. Maanantai. It comes from the word ma, meaning earth. Repeat after me. Ma, nan, tai. Example. Esimerkiksi. Maanantaina menen kouluun. On Monday, I go to school. I translated the way it has written. Maanantaina means on Monday. Menen kouluun. I go to school. Tiistai is Tuesday. Tiistai. Say it with me. Tiistai. For example, esimerkiksi tiistaina käyn salilla. On Tuesday, I go to the gym. Keskiviikko. Keskiviikko means Wednesday. It literally means middle of the week. Keskellä viikkoa. That means middle of the week. Keskiviikko. Repeat after me. Keskiviikko. Example. Esimerkiksi keskiviikkona sataa usein. It often rains on Wednesday. If you want to support my channel, you can do so by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. By doing so, you will get simple Finnish lessons from DocTalks Finnish every week. It's totally free. Okay, let's move. Torstai is Thursday. Think of the god of thunder, Thor. It is his day, just like in English. Thursday. Torstai. Say it with me. Torstai. Example. Torstaina leivon pulla. On Thursday, I bake buns. Perjantai. Perjantai is Friday, the favorite day of many. The weekend is coming. Say it with me. Perjantai. Example. Esimerkiksi. Perjantaina katson elokuvia. On Friday, I watch movies. Lauantai is Saturday. It is time to relax and enjoy. Lauantai. Say it after me. Lauantai. Example. Lauantaina siivoan. On Saturday, I clean the house. Sunnuntai. Sunnuntai is Sunday, a quiet, peaceful day before the week begins again. Say it with me. Sunnuntai. Example. Esimerkiksi. Sunnuntaina lepään. On Sunday, I. You have just learned the days of the week in Finnish. Viikon Päivät. Let's quickly recap. Let's go through them one more time. Nice and easy. Maanantai, tiistai, keskiviikko, torstai, perjantai, lauantai, ja sunnuntai. Okay. Now a quick quiz for you. What is Wednesday in Finnish? No cheating. Comment your answer below. Next lesson will be on vuoden ajat. That means seasons in Finnish. Stay tuned. Nähdään.